There's something super disheartening about packing your motorcycle for a trip in the rain. And look, I know my bike should be in the garage. Garage is a shithole right now, so that's what I got. Man, this is a bummer. Like I knew it was gonna rain today. 90% chance of rain, but it's like there's always that 10% chance, and that's what we kind of hope for. But fuck it. It's still gonna be fun, right? Right. What's up, Eric?
What up?
Man, it's not like when we're prepared, it's not that bad. Yeah.
All right.
Corners are a little scary, but
Yeah, I feel like I'm all over the place. I just want to check real quick. My air pressure.
yeah, it's probably not a bad idea. We got about 200 miles today from here, probably. We're gonna take the gorge all the way out to the Dalles and then 197 south. So
Okay.
hopefully the further central Oregon we get, the more rain breaks.
I hope so.
Yeah. How you doing, Kate?
Well, I was better before you guys started talking about how slippery it was.
Oh, I'm not slipping
That's
anywhere.
campfire talk. You just said it's slippery.
No, I didn't.
This is going to be
It's on
insane.
camera.
Let's run it back. Did I say
Run it back.
slippery?
Run it back.
Corners are a little scary, but
Yeah, I feel like I'm all over the place. I just want to check real quick. Run it back. Start it over.
And then Eric
You have a
said I'm
gate?
all over the place. Remember?
I only have my little pump thing.
This is okay.
Johnny has everything. You want me to ask
That's you're at 32.
That's what it was before. Can't put it on.
So
It
you
won't fit
set-
on there.
Oh, it won't fit on there.
Yeah.
Well, I'll grab my pump.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right. we made it to the Dalles.
Woo! That was a quick 80, 70, 80 miles, 70 miles?
Yeah. It was kind of shitty for a while there. But
Kinda.
but it just opened up, and it was like I was blind and then I could see again.
Yep.
It was so cool.
So good.
And then I just boom, like we got miles. Yeah, once that pavement dried out, fucking forget about it.
Yeah.
So John's over there fueling up. We're gonna have some snacks and some drinks. This is our turnoff from 84 somewhere here to hit 197 south. So yeah, man, it's so far so good.
So far so good. Yeah, I mean, we're prepared.
Yeah.
So it's kind of nice.
Yeah, I might throw my hoodie on under my coat. I'm a little chilly.
Yeah.
There was that. It was like 50 miles of like, what are we doing again?
Again. Yeah, I felt the same.
Yeah, and then when it cleared up, I'm like, okay.
Yeah, I agree.
This is what we're doing. Yeah, man, so good.
Good so far.
Yep, Eric's tire is better.
Yep.
We can chat now. That's cool. It's a little
That's
finicky
cool.
to get to it, but
I'll have to play around with it.
yeah, it seems like I have to double tap, and then it like cycles through a few different things, and then eventually brings you up.
Okay.
So
I don't know how to get to you. I've tried to tap around it.
did you? Your hazards were on for a while there. I was a little.
Yeah, I was
like,
fucking with the 360 camera, and I guess I hit the hazards. I'm looking down, I'm like, oh boy, John's slowing down behind me. I'm like,
I was like, what are we doing?
False alarm.
I didn't mean to. I was like, oh, he'd fucking call me if
Yeah.
he wanted something. So, yeah, we're gonna warm up, have some snacks and drinks, and get back on the road.
Yeah.
Pretty good pass.
That was. Yeah. Nice. Wasn't too windy. That's a good thing.
There was a little bit. There was like it was like that certain wind that gave me kind of a.
Really windy.
I was getting like a.
Like we've been over that. It's been just shit.
Knock us over a lane.
Yeah.
So I think it was close to Ty Valley that I was just really fucking struggling.
Yeah, there was a short section there that was a little.
I had to make a real like thoughtful effort to turn my head. be into the wind.
You gotta order some food?
I don't think so. I mean, unless this is dinner.
No.
No.
Oh.
Come on, John.
I thought it was a little bit early for dinner, but I thought I'd ask.
I'll never forget going 197. We were heading north, and we went over this little, like, it must have been like peak or whatever, and it knocked, I think, all three of us over
Yes, I
an
remember
entire lane.
Yep.
Yeah,
There's
I think
no
Angelica
avoiding.
was with you on that one.
All the sunglasses.
Yeah, that was the same trip. She
Lost 2 sets.
I think it was 3.
Yeah.
And her cream. We started off when she lost her
Lotion.
whatever that.
I got surprised with no
Pick up.
soap.
Try it.
I was gonna try and smell it. This isn't bourbon, I guess.
What are they cooking?
like funnel cake or something.
Yeah, something like that.
I don't know, Eric.
That's it.
You pour some vodka in there and I'll drink
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, I'll give you a 5 for it. I have 2 5s. Don't eat it yet.
So it's been a wonderful day of riding.
Okay, so we can
We're
take
probably
that. So this
20 miles from Prineville.
get the, like, when
You
you
would
do
raise-
you not get this
We're
top,
close.
get the bottom one that's cheap.
Huh?
Yeah, probably raised. Stop for some hot dogs. Pick up dinner and booze on our way into the cabin. They're supposed to email me a code for getting in the door. Ain't seen that yet.
Oh god.
Oh. Oh. Could be an adventure.
Did you bring your tent?
I got a tarp though. We could all huddle up underneath of it. Right in between our bikes. Just wrap it around. Fire
There's
up the bikes
usually,
once in a while for heat.
There's usually rangers there,
Yeah.
or whatever they're called.
That will be alright.
So,
I'll go knock on a Narvie's
How you
door
doing
and
on-
invite myself in.
Cold, are you pretty cold? Chilled or
okay.
feel good?
I think my coat dried.
Right? Yeah, I dried out pretty good.
Thank you.
There's
Those
a,
warmers in the gloves, that's amazing.
it's a good ticket.
It is
Yeah.
nice.
Just directly on your skin.
So I pasted it to the palm of my glove. So
On the outside?
no, on the inside. Yeah.
No issues?
No issues so far.
That's good.
I might actually try it on both tomorrow, top and bottom, see how that goes. I gotta figure out why my fingertips are filling full of water. They're supposed to be waterproof gloves.
That's unfortunate.
Yeah.
So you feel better? You take off all that rain gear?
Yeah, my legs are a little bit cold now, but I really felt like somebody was just choking me out. I couldn't move my head, it was messing with my hair. I was just miserable. So it does feel
Yeah,
good.
it's
I lost my
miserable.
tunes as soon as you guys pulled off. That's why I held back trying to figure it out. I was like, fuck. So it was kind of a shitty deal
Windy
without
ride.
Just your own
tunes.
thoughts.
Yes. Well, that, the shit's loud unless you got music, all that air rushing by your helmet or whatever.
Yeah, it's a noisy helmet. My chin's cold.
Yeah.
Curious part of my body, it's cold.
You guys see the turkey on the side of the cliffs or whatever?
Did not.
Turkeys?
Oh, it was like a big
painted one?
animated one.
Oh, really?
That's a fine hot dog.
They are good.
Thank you. We're gonna finish up our little lunch here, warm up a bit longer, and get back down. Get back on the road.
Yeah. See you on down the road.
Rain's back a little bit. We're in Prineville now, walking into Ray's. See if we can't find something to bring back for supper. Talked to Kate into putting her rain gear back on. So we were thinking maybe just getting some barbecue.
Let's go there with the tri-tips.
Damn, it's a hell of a turkey leg. Or Mexican. I think John's getting a cup of noodles. But yeah, welcome to Ray's. All right, he just let us in. Let's go take a look around. First time in a deluxe cabin. Looks pretty legit. Cozy. Cozy.
Oh, microwave even. That was a lot. Guess I'm pulling the right side.
In the garbage can, they're super close. That makes me happy. I don't have to walk a bag of garbage for a mile.
Nice. No?
Sweet. This will work.
Oh, I don't know. Usually there's a little like top of the hill. Top of the afternoon to you.
Group wood run.
I don't know why I brought my beer, but
I'd be
Nobody-
having a drink if I had one.
Nobody has any idea where to go.
C22
C20. Kate knows where to go.
or C2 if we come upon that sooner.
Is anybody thinking that we should have kept the campsite?
Fuck no.
That was, it's kind of a risk.
When I pulled in, I said, yeah, you know, we'd have been all right.
No, it's gonna be a cold night.
Until
It's gonna be a real cold night.
the clouds
would've
roll
been where
in
we
in
went,
the middle
yeah.
of the night.
Isn't that our site? It was
No.
one of these.
Well, no.
Oh no, the
yeah,
middle. That's
right.
when they came.
This is where on
The
our long
deer.
trip we
Yeah,
stayed. Yeah.
Got it, got it. No, it's gonna be cold. We are gonna have like a heater. We got a toilet. We ain't got soap. We got a toilet though that flushes and it's inside. Like, I'm
Yeah.
super stoked on that.
Yeah.
It's a good move.
Good move.
I like camping, but we'll get there.
We will. say it's super nice being on the road with you guys again.
Oh, very good.
It was a tough day, but it's been a great day. So much drier than I thought it was going to be.
Agreed.
It started out really ugly and ended up beautiful.
For sure.
We'll see what tomorrow brings.
Yeah. So, old friends and new roads.
Old friends and new roads.
Teak, 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 teak.
Johnny getting frisky with it. Smooth.
It's definitely
That's-
smooth.
That's really smooth.
Are you faking it over there?
It's it.
Yeah, he breathed in after. That was his mistake.
It's like got an afterburn just now, but it's good. It's smooth. I like it.
Kind of sweet.
It's 50%. Nice. Cheers. Made it to breakfast.
Yeah,
It was a brisk 15 miles.
it was cold.
Well, it's better than coffee when it's that cold. So, it's been a super beautiful morning. We looks like we're gonna have a dry way all the way home. So,
Hopefully I didn't ruin that.
No, we're good.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. Spectacular.
Good breakfast.
Yeah, apple peddler in Prineville.
Prineville, not the other one. Beautiful day this turned out to be.
Yeah, I mean, come on.
You can't ask for anything better than this.
No.
Not with what we started out with yesterday.
So we
Well,
just
and I thought that was what we thought maybe we could have the whole time.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice surprise.
did 197 again from Maupin to now we're in the Dalles. That's the fastest stretch of road ever.
Yeah, it's fast.
It's noisy. I can't hardly hear anything right now. But it was super fun. So it's probably our last stop for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was really fun to make.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Yeah. So make sure to subscribe and like and all that fun stuff because
Got to keep them motivated to keep making
Yeah.
these videos.
yeah.
Yeah,
The only
help
reason
us
I'm
out.
doing it. No, we do. We put a lot of work into it, you know, and we appreciate every new subscriber. So thanks for joining me, guys.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Yes, thanks for planning it for sure.
We'll see you guys next time.